Express nothing to the world. This is an introspective look within. And the only person you have to prove anything to or be comfortable with is yourself.
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
We must pay homage to him.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Purging to purify.
Putrification.
When you're in your shadow work or your chakra work, you're in a space and time to be naked. No, not physically naked, but bare it all. Stripping down this ego and being in your sin. Your sin or your skin is you. Is what makes you, you. And you're hiding, feeling ashamed, or running away from aspects of yourself that's hidden is running away from the God in you.
Triple kill!
Go see my shadow self video. When you're in your expression of knowing thyself, that's when the chaos being reigns supreme. Now, you don't have to express nothing to the world. This is an introspective look within. And the only person you have to prove anything to or be comfortable with is yourself. You purging that idea of yourself and feeling ashamed of ideas, thoughts, or situations that's happened to you is the work.
Boom headshot! Boom headshot! Boom headshot!
Realizing that you were once human and still are having a human experience, and now it's time to claim God. So what you used to wet the bed at 12 years old and still happens sporadically at 30. Deal with that issue and face that aspect of you that's a bedwetter. Oh, pee-pee ass boy. So what if you like midget porn and something inside of you wants to marry a small person one day? Claim that shit and embody that aspect of you. Shit, they got some ass too. So what if you have big ass eyes and people always think you eyeing them? Stop worrying about them false eyes and get into that first eye, that true eye. Oh, big 20/20 vision board ass eyes. Oh, I can see clearly now, ass boy. I got my eye on you, head ass nigga. These aspects of yourself are the true you and the part of you you must embrace in order to step inside that pure of heart body. Purge that hatred and low vibrational thoughts of looking like everyone else or feeling weird or crazy. Guess what, bitch? You are crazy. We are crazy. And the crazy is just what we came down here to experience.
Message.
We made our choice to experience being human, and now it's up to you, up to us, to figure out why. Purge that hatred of yourself that makes you believe that any of this is real. Deal with your shit and don't be afraid to step into that hurt. This is putrefaction. Purging to purify the heart. Dream wise.